I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a valve cover gasket. First, gather all your tools, including a new gasket set and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and material warping. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any electrical work. This simple step protects both you and your car's sensitive components throughout the repair process. Now let's get to removing the old valve cover. Begin by taking off any decorative engine covers and carefully disconnecting the spark plug wires. Next, unbolt and remove the ignition coils, setting them aside safely. You'll also need to disconnect any hoses or wiring harnesses that are attached to the valve cover itself. Finally, loosen the valve cover bolts, working in a crisscross pattern to prevent warping, and then remove them completely. With the old cover off, it's time for the new gasket. Carefully lift the valve cover and remove the old, hardened gasket. Thoroughly clean both the cylinder head and the valve cover mating surfaces, ensuring they are free of oil and debris. Apply a very thin 3mm bead of RTV sealant at the corners where the timing cover meets the cylinder head. Then, carefully seat the new valve cover gasket, and the new spark plug tube seals into the valve cover. Now let's put everything back together. Carefully place the valve cover back onto the cylinder head, ensuring the gasket stays in place. Hand tighten all the valve cover bolts, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified value, typically around 8 to 10 foot-pounds. Reconnect all ignition coils, spark plug wires, hoses, and wiring harnesses. Finally, reconnect your battery and start the engine, checking carefully for any signs of oil leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.